Okay, here's how you can run your first A/B test in about 90 seconds. Let's get into it. So first thing you do is to go to Shopify, go to the search bar up here, type in apps, and type in Intelligems, which is the A/B testing tool we're going to use. Go to the App Store, press install, follow the whole thing, open the app, and you'll be inside of a screen that looks something like this. Now you're going to need to install the script for the app to work. Press on this add script, press copy script, go to your theme again, press edit code, and then go to the theme.liquid file. So you can just type in theme.liquid. You'll see it's one of the first files over here. I've already added it in, and so I just paste it right there. Then from there, go into your theme, go into this product thing here, and you want to create a new template. So let's say we want to do a layout test. We want to test the layout on the PDP. Of course, you can test whatever you want. And then let's say for this template, so this is the second version of the template. I don't know why this is bugging out. There we go. And we're going to click small here. So this is my change. One template is going to have it large, and my other change is going to, my other template is going to have it small. Then go back to Intelligems over here. You'll see this banner disappears if you've done it correctly. I've not done it for right now. You need to get a paid plan. And then press create new test. We're going to call it 29.04. That's when I'm recording this. We're going to call it layout PDP test, just so you know what you're testing. We're going to do content test. We're going to do template test. Press create test. Don't need a plan right now, but you do it right after this. Do control, call this var A, go to the next step, and then we want to choose the two templates we want to test against. So the first is going to be the product test, product template, and then the second is going to be the layout template that we also just made. Hit next step. You don't need to wait for the preview. Hit next step again, save, and you are done, right? You can go back to the main screen over here once it's just finished saving, and then you can press play on the test once you go over to the billing tab and then set up a plan. Hope this is useful. Bye.